Life is unpredictable. If an EPFO member passes away, whether during service or after retirement, their spouse and family may be entitled to a monthly pension under the Employees Pension Scheme, EPS, 1995. But many families struggle with the claim process due to lack of awareness. In this video, I'll break down the eligibility, required documents, step-by-step process, and common mistakes to avoid so you can secure your rightful pension without delays. Section 1. Who is eligible for pension? Primary beneficiaries. 1. Spouse, automatically eligible for a lifelong pension. 2. Children, up to 25 years of age, or permanently disabled children, no age limit. 3. Nominee or dependent parents, only if no spouse or children exist. Service requirements. If death occurs during service, pension is payable even if service was less than 10 years, as long as EPS contributions were made. If death occurs after retirement, member must have completed at least 10 years of EPS service. Note: if the member did not complete 10 years, the family can still withdraw the EPS corpus but won't get a monthly pension. Section 2. Documents required. Checklist for smooth processing. 1. Death certificate, mandatory. 2. Spouse's Aadhaar and bank details. Account must be joint or in spouse's name. 3. Marriage certificate, recommended to avoid disputes. 4. Form 10D, pension claim form. 5. Joint passport size photo, spouse plus deceased member. 6. Canceled check, for bank verification. 7. Children's birth certificates, if claiming for them. 8. EPF or UAN details, PF account number, UAN, employer verification if needed. 9. Guardianship certificate, for minor or disabled children. Pro tip: link Aadhaar to UAN beforehand to avoid rejection due to mismatched details. Section 3. Step-by-step claim process. Step 1. Visit the correct EPFO office. Go to the regional EPFO office where the deceased member's account was maintained. Step 2. Fill and submit Form 10D. Download Form 10D or collect it from the EPFO office. Attach all required documents listed above. Step 3. Employer verification, if applicable. If the member was still employed, the employer must attest the form. Step 4. Submit documents. Submit the form plus documents in person or via Common Service Center CSC. Get an acknowledgement slip, tracking reference. Step 5. Wait for processing, 30 to 90 days. Pension starts directly in the spouse's bank account once approved. Track status online via EPFO's member portal. Section 4. What happens after pension starts? Monthly pension, paid directly to the spouse's bank account. Children's share. Eligible children get additional pension, up to 25 years. Minimum pension guarantee. If the calculated amount is low, the spouse gets 1,000 rupees per month, minimum pension. After spouse's death, pension transfers to eligible children, if any. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid, critical tips. Delaying the claim. Apply within 3 months of death to avoid complications. Incorrect bank details. Ensure the account is active and in the spouse's name. Mismatched Aadhaar or UAN. Cross-check before submission. No employer attestation. Required if the member was still in service. Section 6. Need help? EPFO support channels. Helpline call 1800-118-005 or 14470, EPFO toll-free. Online grievance. EPFO grievance portal. Visit CSC or EPFO office for in-person assistance. Losing a loved one is hard enough. Don't let pension delays add to the stress. If this guide helped you, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. If you found this video valuable, Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.